with GrassRoots Living, and Jenny's here, and it says, Dad and Hannah Birthday Bash 2022.
Hey friends, I'm here at the birthday bash. Now it's my first time going. Shalane went last year. She can't be here today because she's working today, so she can't get off work, but I'm here. I'm excited about this. One thing I've noticed right away, I'm here at 10 o'clock and there is no parking anywhere close. So I'm just parked over here at my daughter's house. It's only about 3 blocks away. We're gonna walk on out. Come along, let's see what it's all about. So what you doing?
Gonna paint, well, I guess this here. Can't see it. This here. With my Let's Make Art round 6. It's all you need in life. Round 6, round 8. Are we showing off my
All right, what are you doing now?
Okay, so I did a leather thing. It's not great, but it's gonna be a Christmas ornament. And it says, Dad and Hannah Birthday Bash 2022. And now I'll always have it and treasure this time. And this is awful. Just don't. Maybe I shouldn't say something so disparaging. I made this quickly with liquid watercolor that I don't usually work with. But still, it was a good time. I'm having fun.
Start. Okay, welcome everybody to Let's Make Art. And I'm going to introduce everybody. I'm Sarah Cray. We have Hannah here painting with us. I'm so excited to have her paint.
This is actual cute thing that my dad made, and now it's a card. Oh, it's backward. It's upside down. There you go. Isn't that cute? So we're at the maker's tent. They've got watercolor, leather work, pastels, and little yarn ducks that are like the logo for the quilt company.
Okay.
And the little mascot is a duck. So, and then there's like stores up here uptown that have these different things. So it kind of represents what's going on in the shops down here in just this one tent.
Awesome.
Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, there's a fudge special. Can I get a picture with you guys? Sure. Go on in.
Come on now. Let's see all those fancy moves, ladies. That'll work.
I feel like this was a routine they already had.
Yeah, Jenny thinks this may be a routine you guys have worked on. All right, there we go. Did everybody get a number? Because we almost had a tussle over here. Is everybody good? Now this one seems to be playing some sort of game. You started over there, and you progressed all the way. How did this happen? Well, he doesn't have us. No, all right. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Number 15.
This is so much fun. Are you going to be here for the whole 3 days?
11.
I think I'm going to have to leave tonight. I have to find a place to park my van.
Where are you from? Dayton, Ohio. I didn't get where were you from?
From Columbia, Missouri, and I'm here with my social sisters.
We got you. All right, go sit down. Thank you. Number 20. All right, Jenny's going to draw a number.
I took pictures with all of them. This one is 746. 746.
Yeah.
His wife bought him a knife sharpener.
Real deal. All right, let's see what we got over here. Let's see if we can get something to happen here. Russell, I think this is the one you were asking for. We're going to dance. We're watching. Russell, I'm counting on you. You got to make a song, so I'm going to play it because you asked for it. Number 18.
Number 11.
You're 18. Where are you from?
Indiana.
What's your name?
Cheryl.
Cheryl, thank you for coming. And you are?
Sherry from Belmont, Wisconsin.
Very nice. Cheryl. Go there and get you some goodies, all right? All right.
Number 6.
Number 6. What's your name? Where are you from?
From Belmont, Wisconsin.
What? All right. Nice. Okay.
Number 4.
All right. Number 4. Number 4. Where are you from? What's your name?
Sharon from St. Louis, Missouri.
Oh, thanks for coming over. All right. Is that more?
I got number 19.
Number 19. What's your name?
Shanna Perkins from Fort Idaho.
We'll get you a prize there. All right. All right, we're going to do a few more.
16.
Number 16. What's your name? Where are you from?
Margaret from Minneapolis, Texas.
Well, thank you, Margaret. We'll grab you a prize there real quick.
Number 9.
Number 9. All right. What's your name?
Cheryl from Indiana.
Cheryl from Indiana. Thank you, Cheryl. Go over and see Liv over there. All right. This is where the dance competition gets serious. We're looking for the dance moves on this, all right? That'll work. I'm going to pause the music a minute here. Let's get her up here. And she's up, ladies and gentlemen.
She was falling for me. She landed it.
Here, give her something. All right, you go find a seat. All right, are you all right? You okay? Now listen, Russell. Yeah. I was going to say, Russell can't just fall down out there. That's all right, here we go. Back to Madonna. Let's do it. That was something. Huh? Thank you guys. We appreciate you guys playing along. Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Okay. All right, Russell.
I'm Russ Carroll from Norwich, Ontario, Canada.
Russell the Love Muscle. All right. Where are you from?
I'm Ebony Carroll, and I'm from Norwich, Ontario, and I brought 2 buses, so.
Oh, and Russell.
But I brought them.
Well, we've got some goodies for for you. Girls, can you bring over the stacks, the big stuff there? So we have 3 piles of 2 or whatever. What do you got there? Pick whatever you want.
I like the color.
You get one. And you guys get to pick one more. Yeah. So they're the grand prize winners, right? Oh, man. Awesome. Hey, give everybody a big round of applause. That was awesome. All right, thank you, Russell. Thank you. All right, hey, coming up at 2 o'clock, we've got the book club events. It's down in the gathering spot. Yeah.
Hey friends, we are at the MSQC Birthday Bash. Dean and Hannah were here yesterday. You've already seen some of that. And it's also the JCPenney's days. So we don't know what we're gonna find. We just got here, so take a walk with us.
When I'm walking on a breeze, I got no enemies. I just do what I please. Yes, sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means, just a wind in the wings. Yes, sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. No, I won't come down.
This is such a happy place. You could just come up here with a book and just sit here in it.
I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease. Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. I saw the eyes of the maker, heard a rushing sound, caught up in the wheel going round and round, spun like gold from the shining ground.
Okay, Hamilton is my favorite place in all the earth. I'm not exaggerating. Look at this! Look how cute! I live here! I live here with all this cuteness all the time.
I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
I got spiced pear last time I was here. I'm obsessed with it. We're here with GrassRoots Living, and Jenny's here, obviously.
We're in Hamilton. We're here. It's our birthday bash. If you can't make it this year, come out next year for sure.
Is a lot.
We gotta shop some more.
Gotta go shopping.
Getting all the tiger's blood. That's disgusting.
All right, it's been kind of a long day, but a fun day. We had football games today, and JCPenney's days, and MSQC birthday bash, and all the stuff and all the things. And we are so glad that you guys came with us. Dean's at home right now. Hannah's still with me, so that's amazing. And Noah's down here because it's Noah's birthday.
I'm 7.
He's 7. Anyway, we just thought we'd say goodbye. We got a lot of stuff going on. We're gonna keep walking around for a while. Glad you guys came with us. We'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, this is GrassRoots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love. Peace out.
See you guys. Hope you can make it next time. See you later.